Is it the master bedroom?
I think that they have
Multiple master bedrooms? Oh my gosh. Okay. Hi, I'm Austin Backer with Tent Maker.
And I'm Lydia Backer.
And this is our daughter, Aaliyah. She's joining us today. Today we're gonna go over 2 luxury mansions located in the Diamond Ridge community of Eugene, Oregon. Just north of Eugene, Oregon. I'm kind of close to a little town called Coburg. It's in the hills of Eugene. Really beautiful and accessible into the city as well, with the interstate being very close by. You don't hear that noise, but these homes are very beautiful, luxury, and something you might want to invest in. Obviously, for most people, not gonna be first home, but something to keep an eye out, and for future reference, just kind of watch our channel and kind of teach you how you can eventually have one of these.
And we will have you decide which luxury home that you like more today.
All right, as you walk inside this home, you'll notice the very big open space, the little opening courtyard. We do have a beautiful chandelier, very open. You have the pillars, and then you have the window lighting, just letting in the light for the home, opening it up. Very open floor plan, very spacious, and it doesn't really feel condensed. Let's go take a look. As you walk in to the left side of the home, you'll notice the dining room here. Really spacious, great for having guests over. And then the window obviously lets in the light, really beautiful with the chandelier. Perfect to host parties and just very spacious. And we walk into the kitchen here, very spacious. I love the stone tiling here, really beautiful, great craftsmanship. I love the rustic style right here of the vents and the stove top. It is a gas stove right here with the granite. It's very beautiful, and the tiling in the background. You do have 2 sinks here, so like I said before, for a party, you can prepare your I love the coloring here with the hardwood floor, just beautiful. Very neutral colors. I think really stands out, so you can kind of hang up your own paintings or kind of decorate the home, your style, this kitchen. I love the chandeliers here right over the island. Just a very large central island. I love that right here. Really accommodating, really spacious. Great for a big family. And then we'll look to the side here, and perfect little circular table, kind of encompassing this area. Perfect for a cup of coffee, and you'll notice the pool in the backyard. The kitchen opens up into the living room. Just beautiful here. Get something to eat right next door. Walk over here and kind of relax or get work done, whatever you need to do for the day. Relax, watch a nice movie. It opens up. You can put a huge surround sound system here. You can even put a big projection screen. Just kind of have a movie theater feel in this area. All right, just with the open floor plan, your kitchen and the entryway, we'll go right into the nice big open living room. You'll notice the ceilings, the high ceilings here. Just beautiful area, and you can even I can even hear myself talk right now. Just a very expansive, nice open area. 2 doors here leading out to the backyard, so you get kind of that outdoor feel as well. I love this fireplace right here. The beautiful marble stone around the fireplace. Very large fireplace as well, so kind of feels like a luxury, just relaxing area. But with the high ceilings of the living room, you'll notice that there's a balcony here leading to another room. Just beautiful. I love how they included that with that kind of Italian feel of the home. You can just kind of walk out from that room, and the beautiful railing here, design that kind of encompasses the home. All right, in the hallway, we'll open up one of these rooms here. One of the many rooms in this house. First thing you'll notice is a spiral staircase leading up to the top. Just really beautiful. I love how they put that in the middle of the room. This is the office of the home, so you can get your work done here. If you are a musician, there's a grand piano right here with the house. You can get your work done, and there's a lounge area as well. Leading out to the front of the house, you can kind of see the open area with the windows there. Just really beautiful. This room even comes with its own fireplace. When we walk into this room, kind of a lounge room. I like this area as well. You have your own sink right here, a wet bar as well, so you can have a cocktail and just kind of relax. Has its own TV, own pool table as well. Beautiful area, leads out to the backyard. It's not just windows back there. There are doors that do lead into the backyard. 2 double doors here. So if you want to come in from the pool, get a drink, just kind of relax, and that's available to you. Here you are. Alright, when we walk into the back of the hallway, you'll notice the theater room. I love this movie theater. You walk in and it's really expensive, really loud. There's Coco playing by Disney. They had that for us. I love that. But when you look up here, you even have a shooting star, but it looks like a star pattern. Just really beautiful. It looks like you're out in the night sky. I love how they added that feature in this movie theater room. You can have quite a few people in here. It's really expansive. And it's just really comfortable with these chairs, and you can just lean back and enjoy a movie, enjoy a drink, or even eat dinner in here. Let's take a look back here. One thing I wanted to go over in the kitchen, this area right here, it's actually, this pantry is a walk-in pantry. This leads into the back where the garage area is. So let's take a walk in here. Enormous fridge and freezer system right here. I love that. That's built in. This door leads into the expansive garage. This land has so much space for cars. You don't really need a very expansive garage here, but
we included that for your lawnmower as well.
Here is a laundry room as well. Go continue here, and here is one of the staircases that lead up to the upstairs. And right next door here is one of the half restrooms to accommodate your guests, and then a little area right here to kind of prep your food or to wash up as well, right next to the dining room. Okay, here is one of the three. This is the main staircase, but this is one of the three stairways leading to the upstairs. Let's go take a look. This is beautiful. On the sky bridge, you'll see both sides. So this is the entryway of the home. Beautiful. You get that close look of the chandelier, and then the stone flooring. The way they put that together, beautiful, and the big open double doors to the way of the home. Here is the living room as well. Next to the balcony, you can just say hi to everyone, and just a great view of the entire open floor space of the house. We're gonna go to the right. So right of the staircase, when you first walk up the stairs, is the master bedroom. So let's go take a look. Here is some storage, extra storage space in this double doors, little linen closet. But this is the master bedroom right here. Let's go in for a look. It's just beautiful. Fireplace right here with a stone kind of column in the home. And then you'll notice the patio out back. Stand outside after you take a shower or want to get ready for your day. Stand outside and just relax and kind of take a breath of fresh air. So just really beautiful, and you can see your family play in the pool as well. And then with the master bedroom, obviously home is gonna have a massive closet. Here we have a really large master closet. Just beautiful, probably bigger than my first apartment when I was growing up. This closet itself. Here is the shoe rack. You can hang all your shoes. I love sneakers. Just very expansive. The store leads to the downstairs office. And then here, when we walk in, just beautiful granite flooring. Here's the master restroom. This has everything you need. Gorgeous, double sinks right here. And with that feature of the Italian rustic feel, they really kept that theme in mind for the entire house. And they kept that alive here. As well as the bathtub. You got the beautiful stone pillars right here. And it's a jet system, so you can have a little jacuzzi and just relax. Very luxurious. Here is the gorgeous walk-in shower as well, with the hanging shower head, and then the little restroom as well. The little toilet with a door, so you can have your own privacy. This is the loft of the house. You can also transform this into a guest bedroom. Needs a little bit of renovating on the walls. Pretty simple fix, not hard to do. Really high vaulted ceiling here with a beautiful light right there. Does have four gorgeous windows leading out to the front of the house, and so you get a big view of the surrounding estate. And from upstairs, the sky bridge, let's go across, walk further into the home. Another linen closet right here for extra storage space. Here's one of the bedrooms. I like this bedroom in particular. One of the bedrooms I like a lot because this leads out to the balcony that we saw earlier in the entryway. You can just say hello to everyone down below.
I was thinking like you can sing at the
Sing?
balcony.
Oh no. Right across from that room is one of my other favorite rooms of the home, because this is the double doors leading to the balcony of the living room. So just really gorgeous. I love that. And another Another high vaulted ceiling in this room, designed beautifully with its own restroom, own sink, and shower to get ready for the day. You don't have to fight for space in this house. Don't have to worry about space. Here's another restroom in the home along this hallway. Perfect for guests or if you want your own space. There's also a shower to get ready for the day. There's another linen closet as well. One of the staircases leading to upstairs, one of the three right here. We walk into this area of the home. This is another room, perfect to share. So if there's siblings or if there's twins, etc., you can just share this room. It's very large and accommodating. It's a double sink feature of the home as well as its own shower. And a full restroom.
And like I said before,
Perfect for siblings. You can fit 2 beds in here, and there's a little space in the back for storage, whatever you need to be stored in there. Along this room, this large room is its own walk-in closet as well.
so lots of space. One thing you don't have to worry about in this house is not enough space. There's plenty of space in this room, in this house.
We'll continue down the hallway here. And this is kind of like the previous owners made this a playroom. You can make this another office if you would like. A lot of windows in this area, in this hallway. So in this another lounge area can also be converted into an office space. Whatever room you want to convert this in, you can do that here. But they have a little lounge area is what the previous owners had this as. And my favorite, here's the trampoline room. And here's the laundry room of the home, the upstairs laundry room. Looks like a linen closet from the outside. You walk in, very expansive, as you can see, opens up into the large laundry room. Plenty of storage space and plenty of space in general. All right, welcome to the backyard. First thing you notice is the pool, obviously. Very large, expansive, with its own hot tub here on the side. Beautiful, I love that. Here is the covered patio of the home when you first walk out. There's a patio up there for the master bedroom, as you can see. Really beautiful architecture here with the pillars as well. Walk in here, and this is the barbecue area to accommodate your guests. You got your smoker here, built-in barbecue system, and some more storage space over there in that area. Just really expansive backyard. I love how they, on this land, included this area and they fenced it in. You can even have a playground for your kids right here as they put in. This land can be renovated, so if you want to put more, if you want more on this land, you can have a tennis court. You can also accommodate a basketball court as well, even a little mini golf course if you would like.